Fordelen er, at vi gør det ens hver gang. Jo bedre vi holder rent, jo mere sikrer vi vores oppetid.
At Kokyo, quality and hygiene means everything. When dealing with perishable products, calculated programs are applied, telling how many hours the line can operate before cleaning starts. Kokyo extended the uptime by approximately 1.5 hours a day and significantly reduced the consumption of water, chemistry, energy and labor costs. It's much better for the environment, the equipment and employee safety. Removing employees from heat and chemicals results in reaching at Kokyo 2,000 working days without an occupational accident. The sustainable goal is 30% reduction on CO2 emissions by 2030 by saving water, chemistry and energy. The new automatic foam cleaning method uses more cold water, less detergent and delivers higher quality hygienic results.
Vi kommer aldrig tilbage i den manuelle verden igen, fordi at vi ser fordelene ved at have automatiseret det, og vi mener stadigvæk, at vi kan vinde endnu mere.